She applies honey on her bag and results you will very shock. Bag outer part is usually darker than other body parts, but do you know you can make it fair in a natural way? Today I will tell you one natural remedy that is very effective in this regard. For this you will need honey, lemon, sugar. Take 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of half of a lemon. Add the sugar crystals in this mixture and apply the mixture as a scrub. The circular motion is the best way to apply the mixture. Leave it for 10 minutes and then wash the area with water. Sugar helps in removing the dead skin and honey take care of the soft sensitive skin of the area. The juice of lemon works as bleaching agent and reduces the pigmentation. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.